In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Pro controller to the Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Power on the console. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and go to the home menu. Step 2. Connect via USB. You can plug the Pro controller into the dock using a USB-C cable. The controller will pair automatically. However, you can also connect wirelessly. Press and hold the sync button on top of the Pro controller until the lights flash. Go to Controllers, then change grip order and select the Pro controller. Step 4. Confirm your connection. The Pro controller will appear on the screen when paired. Test the buttons to make sure it works. Then start playing and have fun. That's how you connect your Pro controller to your Nintendo Switch. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I will be very happy to help you.